si Lumibao, Front Office Manager of Azalea Hotels and Residences Baguio. So, Azalea Hotels and Residences Baguio was first operated on last January 2012. So, first 4-star service apartment hotel here in Baguio City. So, we have a 99 rooms. We also a deluxe rooms, 1-bedroom suites, 2-bedroom until 3-bedroom suites. That is good for family. Then we also have good for groups and barcadas. First of all, we have the PWD parking. We also have the ramps that can be easily accessible for PWDs while using wheelchairs or are maybe using their own equipments. Okay, we also have a counter for PWD guests here in the front office, and of course our specially made rooms for the PWDs. So we have 2 PWD rooms that is required by the DOT. Out of 50 should have 1 PWD room.
Ito yung sofa bed natin. Convertible into bed. And then, meron tayo queen size bed.
Pain level.
Ang galing. Yes, sir. Located siya for the PWD talaga seniors, right?
Oh my God.
Yes, sir.
Parang sa pagbaba. Ayun.
May handle.
2 grab bars. Handrail
Yes.
na pwedeng magamit.
Flying to a star on a spaceship. Gotta move fast, gotta make it. Whatever it takes to get to you.